Hello everyone, this is my channel Phone on Loan. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video. We will learn about elements, uses and their properties. Like hydrogen, in alkali metal, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium and francium. Now in this periodic table, I will show you hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium and francium. This is hydrogen, marked by green. Now this is lithium, this is sodium, this is potassium, this is rubidium, this is calcium and this is francium. Okay. Now first we will learn about hydrogen. It was discovered in 1766. Okay. Now the picture that is collections stars, this cloud in space. It is about an abundant Orion nebula. Hydrogen is an abundant in the Orion nebula, which is dense cloud of hot gases and dust in space. Within these cloud or gas, new stars are born with hydrogen and other gases contract under the pressure of gravity. The nebula is located 1500 light year ago. Mean it takes 1500 years from light to reach us from the cosmetic cloud. Okay. This is water, life giver water. It contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Water is a virtual life of Earth. A single molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen on 1 atom of oxygen. Earth's surface is made up of 71% of water in the form of ocean takes, which is where most of the world hydrogen is found. This is rocket fuel. Okay. I will label it. First I will tell you about rocket fuel. In the modern space rocket are powered by liquid hydrogen. The element combined with liquid oxygen to create extremely hot stream with escape out of nozzle with great force. This produces a thrust that pushes the rocket upward. As an added benefit, the process generated only steam as by product making hydrogen an environmentally safe choice of fuel. Now I am going to label it. This is the chamber that contain liquid hydrogen. I will write H here. Okay. Now this orange color chamber contain liquid oxygen. Okay. Now this orange type of thin cylindrical pump control the flow of liquid as they enter in the combustion chamber. Now this blue thin cylindrical shape, the combustion chamber where the liquid come together, creating an explosive mixture that is ignited to create hot stream. Okay. Now this fire is an explosive mixture where passes through nozzle, creating system that push up the rocket upward. The ticket type thing that you can see here, I will mark it. This is postage stamp. The combination of hydrogen and nitrogen produces ammonia, a virtual compound in fertilizer that aids plant growth. Known as the Haber process, this technique is developed by German chemist Friedrich Haber in the early 20th century and it is still widely used today. Now the bus you can see is the hydrogen power bus in Japan. Okay. Now I will tell you about it. Pure hydrogen is cleaning energy source and it used to power some vehicle such as the bus. When hydrogen is passed through a fuel cell, it chemically fuses with oxygen from the air. The reaction can be used to produce electricity which powered the motor inside the vehicle. Now let's come to next topic. First we will discuss about alkali metal, a collection of 6 similar elements. These elements react fiercely with water to produce hydrogen gas and alkaline solution, and with the oxygen in air to produce compound called oxidize. Alkali metals are highly reactive and are not found in pure from the nature, but as compound, pure alkali metals are shiny and soft enough to cut with a knife. The 6 element you can see here is a one minute. The 6 element you can see here is alkali metal. This is lithium, this is sodium, this is potassium, this is rubidium, this is calcium, this is francium. Now let's come to lithium. The picture you can see in the front of you is a lithium. It is the pure refined piece in the of pure lithium. Okay. The picture you can see here, violet pink. It is a violet pink mineral. Okay. An important source of lithium is lepidolite. The violet pink mineral gets its name from the two Greek words lepodos, and which means scale, and lithos, which means stone. So it is named because lepidolite grown often scale like plates. Now this is a smartphone or mobile. The lithium is also used in making powerful batteries. Rechargeable lithium ion batteries are widely used in modern electronic devices such as smartphone. Not only are they lightweight and small, these batteries also allow people to use their mobile phone along between changes. So now let's come to next topic. Now the picture you can see on your screen is pure sodium in a airless vial. This is sodium. Okay. This is the dead body stored in a dried natron, preserved forever. Uses for sodium go all the way up to ancient Egypt. The Egyptians believed in afterlife, so that preserved dead body process called mummification. They used mixture called natron, a combination of different sodium compound, to absorb water in the body to dry it before wrapping in the linen. Okay. Now this is halite. A mineral called halite contains sodium chloride, most commonly known as rock salt. This compound is vital for human and animal health. Halite is found as cubic crystal and form as deposit around the sea and lake in dry climate when the salt water evaporates. This is halite that is marked with green color. Now sodium is used in several ways that I have tell you, for preserving dead bodies, baking powder, harvesting salt. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, better known as baking powder, is added to cake batter in baking. When mixed with acidic ingredients, the baking powder releases carbon dioxide gas which helps the batter to rise, giving the cake a light, airy texture. This is baking powder. A man is sieving baking powder with the help of sieve. Now this small hill or mountain, you can say, is a heap of sea salt in salt form. Harvesting salt. Salt forms in rock and over time it dissolves and runs into seawater. In shallow pools, the wind and sun quickly evaporate the water, leaving thick heap of salt can be collected by farmers. Now let's come to next topic, that is potassium. A potassium is a soft element that can be cut with a knife. It is shiny silvery metal, tarnish quickly when it reacts with oxygen in the air. This reaction forms a dull layer on the metal surface. Cutting the metal again reveals the shiny surface one more. The picture you can see here is a potassium. It is a soft metal. Potassium is used in food, like not in food. There are some fruit that enrich in potassium. For making mastic, when phosphorus and potassium are mixed to rubbed together, so they form a fire. As I already told, the potassium in food, several contain potassium. Bananas are often considered to be potassium rich, but many other food have higher percentage of this element. A cup of coconut water, for example, has 600 mg of potassium compared to 422 mg in medium-sized banana. This useful element keeps the brain, nerves and muscles functioning normally. As I already told, if the potassium and phosphorus are rubbed together, it can cause fire. They are used in matchstick. Potassium chlorate, a compound of potassium chlorine and oxygen, is used in the manufacture of matches. When a match is struck, phosphorus and potassium chlorate mix in small amount and then ignite due to friction. Okay. Now let's come to next topic, that is rubidium. Rubidium is mainly used in making fireworks. The picture you can see on your screen is the pure rubidium. Pure rubidium is contained in glass to prevent it from coming in contact with air undergoing violent reaction. Now let's look. As I already told, it is used in fireworks. Like many other group 1 element, rubidium compound can produce vivid colors and heater. For example, rubidium nitrate is sometimes used in fireworks to give distinct purple color. It is also used in illumination flares used by military to aid rescue at sea at distress signals. Okay. Now let's come to next topic, that is caesium. The picture you can see on your screen is pure caesium. Like other alkali matter, caesium must be stored away from the water and air to avoid violent reaction. An important application of caesium is making atomic clock, accurate timekeeping device that can measure time down a 1000 million of second, that is nanosecond. This is a silver gold metal that is so shiny. They are also used in solar cells. They are used in solar cell. Caesium coated with solar cell, this which I have highlighted with green. Adding caesium to solar cell boosts the conductivity of silicon in the glass, increasing the cell efficiency. Solar cell have wide range of application, from powering satellite in space to generating electricity on Earth. Okay. Let's come to next topic, that is francium. This is the one of the rarest element on the Earth, which only few grams estimated to exist the planet's crust. The scarcity means that francium was one of the last elements to be discovered. In 1939 by the scientist Marie Curie, it was named after the native country France. The picture you can see on your screen is uranite. 1 minute. The picture you can see on your screen is a uranite, the mineral amount that contains teeny amount of francium. As a result, the atoms of other element in the ore undergoing radioactive decay. Okay. Thank you for paying your attention. Hope you all like this video. If you have any inquiry, please comment it down. Subscribe our channel. We meet in fourth part. Till then, bye. And wait, please share it also.